Mr. Lane, can you come here for a second?
Oh, I'm gonna start soldering. What you need, brother?
I need more power.
Captain! Need more power. What do you mean we need more power?
I mean, I plug in the alarm and my blinkers stop blinking.
It's blinking.
Okay, see how they're blinking correctly? Okay, here's this wire. I actually plug it in.
They just get dimmer because too much power is going to the alarm. Would you connect that to a different like port?
What are you? Because you got two wires coming out of there. So you're trying.
One's the positive and one's the ground.
You need to have another coming out of another pin.
That's what I thought.
You're getting too much power coming out. There's not enough amperage. Now we're talking amperage. So you need to code another pin to come out with power.
220 resistors. You only gave us one.
220 resistors are a hot commodity because everybody loves LED lights, right? So look in your box. Do you see any resistors just sitting
Do I
around
need another pin for ground too?
that aren't in a bag or anything?
I don't.
Oh boy. So get up here, Chris. Get a chair. Hey, would you grab that parts box for me?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to try to get this soldered in class, having all sorts of fun with these Arduino boards. So we're just going to solder going all the way down there, if you can see that or not. So that way we can plug it into our breadboard. Okay, parts. Yeah, look for a 220 in there.
Alright, sweet. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
I've never actually seen soldering like in human.
You've never seen soldering done in human.
In human terms.
So, you have to have the right tip for the right job. This is a small job and you have to set your temperature right. And if it's too hot and you leave this tip on there for too long, you can damage the board. So I like to do what's called tinning. I put a little bit of solder on the tip. I then touch it to this, give it a second, and that should, ooh, this one's not. So sometimes it stays on the tip. So I've got that sponge right there. It's wet down a little bit. And so let's try to do this coming from
What
this
are you
angle.
soldering on there?
Pins. They didn't come. That's why, you know, these Arduino kits that we get, you know, they're a little cheaper because we got to do some of the work. These pins right here were separate. I just put them in here, and now I've got to go across all of these, and I'm going to solder. See how that's copper?
Mm-hmm.
So this solder is going to then make that a solid connection to where you can plug that into your breadboard and run male wires to your Arduino board.
Oh, okay, cool.
There's a 200 in here, but there's not a 220.
200 should work. Do me a favor on your Autodesk, Chris. Try a 200. Try to do it 200 and see if it doesn't blow the LED light up.